A node represents a team, system, or hardware device within the system graph. It may also represent a group of teams, systems, or hardware. Let's create our first teams. In this example, we are a small company with a few departments such as software, IT, customer service, and HR. For this example, let's monitor only our software stack. First, we'll create a new group called Software. Within Software, we have a Windows client and a web server. A few months later, to meet customer demand, mobile apps are created for iOS and Android. Before we add the mobile apps, let's create a client group. This is where all client applications will live. Our Windows app is a client, so let's move it to our new client node. Now let's add our Android and iOS apps to our client group. Lastly, let's rename the software group to Server. As you can see, organizing teams in At Your Service is easy and logical. When first designing your system graph, don't worry about grouping things the right way. The system graph can grow and reshape over time.